As we grow older, we often lose our hearing spectrum. Hence, how many of these following sounds you can hear? We are sure you can hear 8000 Hz easily. Okay, let's keep raising the frequencies. How high could you hear? If you could hear all those frequencies, you are probably under 20 years old. In your ears are dozens of tiny nerve cells or hair cells which is responsible for picking up different frequencies and sending the signal to the brain where it's processed. But as you age, the continual exposure to the noise and loud sounds can break pain and destroy the hair cells. So when you get older, it's difficult to hear high pitches. Be sure to subscribe us.